Okay, so I wanted to share with you something about cross-listing versus using commons. For me, I'm not planning to cross-list for the first quarter. I'm just not sure how everything would work out, and I'm afraid something might go wrong. And so this is what I plan to do in order to make life a little easier when I'm trying to make things for each of my courses. I teach 6 periods of the same subject. And so, as you see here on my dashboard, I have 6 classes of world history. And so I've chosen to make my first period my sort of like the parent course, the one that I will make all my changes and edits in, and then I will just update the other ones. And so let's open that up. Over here, I'm going to click on pages because I made a page that I want to update. So if I go to view all pages, this is the item I want to show you how I'm doing this. So I have already saved this document to Commons or shared it with Commons. And I've also placed this exact document into all of my courses. But now I'm ready to make a change on Tuesday. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to edit this. I'm going to click edit. And I'm going to drag this down. And I no longer want this to say this is how this works. I'm going to just delete it. I'm not ready to have anything on Tuesday, so I'm going to just delete that, and I'm going to go down here and choose save. But all of my other courses still have on Tuesday, it still says something right here, and I want it to be blank like this one. So now what I do is once I've hit save, I'm going to come up here to the snowman or the 3 dots right here. And I'm going to choose share to Commons. And when I do that, it already knows that this is something I've previously shared. And this should be green right here. The checkbox should be green. And that the question is this an update to a previously shared resource? And it is an update. So I do have to give it some sort of version note. So I'm going to say, okay, once I add something for the version notes, all I have to do is click update. And right now, this is going to update. So now when I go over to Commons, and I might have to give it a minute or so to update. It's not instant, so be a little patient with this. But after it has time to update, it actually has this little pop-out box that will say that there's an update available. But if for some reason you don't get the pop-out box, what you would do is you would come up here to imported. Because again, this has already been imported into my other 5 periods. So I'm going to go and find what I want to update, which is this weekly page I made. And when I open it, I should see right here that there's an update available. And so this is what I want to do. I'm just going to click show courses. From here, I could deselect courses that I, for some reason, didn't want to share this with, but I do want them all selected, and I'm just going to update. It's going to ask you, like, am I sure? And I'm going to say yes. So now when I go back to my other courses, let's check 3rd period. And when I go down to pages to find it, and then I open that page on this course, it will be updated. So what it used to say in Tuesday is no longer there. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.